Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today is the July installment of the Pinspiration collaboration here on YouTube. And this is hosted by Deb Hauk's Crafty Cottage. And there are several of us, I think there's about 12 that are doing the collaboration. So I will put the links down below for all the YouTube channels. Go over and check out all their crafty goodness. They are some awesome, talented crafters. So what we are to do every month is pick a pin that we have put on one of our Pinterest boards, and it's one that we had not tried and wanted to try. So the one that I picked for you today is this cute little treat, little pocket thing, and it is meant for holding tea bags. But what I made it for was to hold little goodies and embellishments to send for a challenge that I'm doing here on YouTube, and I'll be doing a separate video VR for that. But I wanted to show you how I made this. So it's super cute. It is using 6x6 pieces of scrapbook paper, and I'll go ahead and open it up here. I just have it tied with some ribbon, and you open it up and there are 6 pockets. It's like making little envelopes, but just slightly different, and I'll show you how I did that. So I made these little envelopes, and you can put little embellishments in there. I have a tea bag here. I can show you how that fits in. Fits right in there. Closes up like that. Super cute. Or you can fit one of those little square pieces of chocolate. So just adorable, and it doesn't take any time at all. It would be perfect for like a baby shower, party favor gift, or any kind of party. You just make it whatever theme you wanted to make it, or it could be for a teacher gift, or if you're having friends over for a tea party, something like that. Just endless ways that you can use this and just fill it with little good things. As I said, I'm sending mine out for some Happy Mail for a challenge. So anyway, let's get into what I'm going to make. I'm going to make a summer themed one now. This one's using here. This one here is using the French paper hot by paper pad from Michaels. What I want to make for you, I'll scroll out a little bit here, is one using this Summer Days by Echo Park. Super cute paper kit. I chose these 3 pieces of paper. So you need 3 pieces that are 6x6. You will need your scissors, some glue or a tape runner, and you need a scoreboard. Or if your paper is thin enough, you could just measure and fold it, but I found that the scoreboard was helpful. And then you need some embellishments. I'm going to be using some of the stickers that are in this kit, as well as I have a, whoops, sorry, I have a button and I just threw it across the room. So I have this cute button here, and I have this little tile that says Cherish. It's green. And then I have some green gingham ribbon. That's what I'm going to use to tie it up with. And then you also need a hole punch. So why don't we get this stuff cleared off here and get started. So the first thing you want to do is grab your scoreboard, grab one of your pieces of paper, and you want to line it up at one of the tick marks up here. I tend to be going with 4.5, but to make sure you get it on the same line all the way down, I just put my scoring tool here, my boning holder, and just went all the way down, lined up my point there, and then make sure the point is lined up in that line. So this is all lined up with here. So now what you want to do is score it from this point, go over to 1.5 inches. So it's at 6 here if you have it lined up at 4.5. So you're going to score it at 6. And then you're going to score it 1.5 inches this way, so at 3. Now you're going to flip it just over to the next corner. Do that same thing, line it up at 4.5. Make sure you're at 4.5 down below there too. And you're just going to score it in the middle. While you have it here, go ahead, go over 3/4 of an inch to the left of your middle and score it there. And then go 3/4 of an inch to the right of your middle and score it there. Now, turn it again, and you're going to fold it in on those sides, on those sides where you scored at 1.5 inches there. And then you're going to take in the middle and fold it with your little pockets going out. Now you're going to fold it at your 3/4 marks, and you're going to fold it the opposite way. Turn it over and do the same thing. So now you have your little double pocket sort of envelope thing. It's kind of like a double envelope. Now you just want to do that for your other 2 sheets of paper, and I'll be back to show you how to finish it off. So the next step is to decide which one you want on the outside and which one on the front and which one in the middle, of course. So I'm going to do my rainbow on the back. I'm going to do this cute print in the center, and then the ice creams on the outside, just so I have a yellow, blue, yellow instead of having 2 blues together in the center. So that's what I'm going to do with that. And I'm going to take my glue, and I'm just going to glue the pieces together. So I'll put some glue on here. And stick that one on. And then glue on the other side. Just get them lined up, and then you'll need to let them dry for a bit. After you've let it dry, you want to take a hole punch. I just have my crocodile, and I'm going to punch a hole through all of the corners here, just all at once. Just like that, and that. And then before I put my ribbon through there, I'm going to decorate this. I've decided I want to decorate this side just because this is already such a cute little pattern. I didn't want to cover it up with anything. So I have these stickers here, and I think I will use these little flowers and put those along on the bottom. And it's a little bit longer, so I'm going to cut off one of these flowers here. Look at that. So I'm going to stick this down here. And I like this cute little bird up here. That little bird. And then I have this cherish little tile, so I'm gonna glue that on. I don't know where I got this Cherish. I think it was something that I got from my mom, but I will link the Echo Park paper pad if I can find it, the kit, online for you if you like it, because I just think it's such a great summer kit. I think I purchased it last year, maybe at the Scrapbook Expo. I'm not sure, but I'm sure that I can probably find it for you. I don't know. Go ahead and check down below for that. And then I have a button, and I'm not, yeah, I think I'll add the button. I'll just put it down here. I'm gonna add glue to it. It is a sticky one, but I think they're pretty old, so I think I should add glue. That button right there, super cute. Now, if you wanted to decorate both sides, you could. I'm not going to for this one. Just take your ribbon and pull it through all the holes. And of course, before you tie the bow at the top, you will want to fill it up. But I will tie it for now just to show you what it looks like. I'm going to make some little embellishments to put into this one. And this one's going for some Happy Mail as well. Well, I'm all thumbs today, I guess. All right. I think maybe I want to make that a little bit longer, but let's see. I guess that's cute. That's good. All right. There it is. So super cute. They are super cute and they hardly take any time at all. It's a great thing if you have, you know, either 6x6 paper pad, or if you just have a leftover, you know, your little leftover scraps, 6x6 pieces from your, you know, if you didn't use a whole piece of 12x12. And of course you can use double-sided paper, or you could use just one-sided. That's what this one was. It was just white on one side. But they just turned out so super cute. I hope you enjoyed this video and it inspired you to make some cute little treats like this for whatever occasion you're making them for. And I hope that you go over to all the other channels that are participating in this Pinspiration collaboration, and you'll find the links for those down below. So give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.